Here we are again, folks. Alright, so here we got our brain pod somewhat complete. It isn't really. There's a lot of shading to go yet. I like to put on a lot of layers. But what I'm going to talk about here is the atmosphere in the background. Normally, like I'm not going to pull any punches really, because to be quite honest, the competition is fierce and there's a lot of people doing this. So basically what you want to do here is create an atmosphere behind the character. And I use a lot of clip art bits because, I mean, yeah, you could draw it all out yourself, but to be quite honest, I don't have the team that Marvel has. So I always say, do the quick and dirty. I'm more into the characters. I keep this stuff on standby so that you can put it in the background, get that off. It's like animation. You do one background and you kind of use it over and over from different angles. So this is what it'll look like when you get it set in there. You got your trees and your sky, and you can put in clouds and things, and just work on it until it looks good. And then you've got your panel going on. It's not cheating and it's not tracing. It's basically, I'm focusing on this. This is what I enjoy drawing. This is what the story's about. The background is important, but it's also expendable in some ways. As long as you get that feeling that you want to get from that panel, then I think you're on the right track.